In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix HDFS command issue. So you can see it in my QuickStart Cloudera. I run HDFS DFS -list. Okay, so this is the right command. I didn't do any mistake. HDFS DFS -list, and here I got this error. Okay, you might be getting this type of error, and like this, it was not executing. Okay, so there is some issue in this quick start. So what I did first, I did restart the NameNode and then the resource manager. Okay, and then I restart this data node also. Okay, so you have to do restart sudo service Hadoop HDFS NameNode restart, and this command you have to run, and last this data node one. Okay, so these three commands you have to run, and then when I run HDFS DFS ls, then I can see these folders. Okay, if you are getting such kind of issue in QuickStart Cloudera, you need to remember these three commands to run. Thank you.